They picked me up today on the Bazbus. Everybody else on the bus is going all the way to Cape Town. And I'm stopping in Hermanus. And everybody's trying to convince me just to keep going because it's a little bit of a detour. So, yeah, we'll have some good cajoling and some jokes there on the bus. But I really enjoy using the Bazbus. It's a really cool way to connect with people and, yeah, make new friends.
Your face popping up, it's calling to me. Hit that button, make it shine so bright. One click away from changing your life. Subscribe, like, share, and comment now. Raise the roof, let's show them how. Spread the love, let it go worldwide.
The world is a book, and those who do not travel.
Of all the hostels that I stayed at up to this point, this hostel was probably the most amenity and feature rich. The 2 kitchens, the knives were sharp, which is awesome. There's a pool table. There's 2 areas for brides. The facilities were just amazing.
A good traveler has no fixed plans and is not intent on arriving. A journey is best measured in friends rather than miles. Not all those who wander are lost. 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 Travel is fatal to prejudice, bigotry, and narrow-mindedness.
All journeys have secret destinations of which the traveler is unaware.
This is a first for me. A bird pooped on the drone while it was flying. I don't think I've ever seen this. But I did get the picture I wanted, so I'm happy about that. Okay, so I just met a local here, just walking around on the trail, and he told me I need to try abalone. It's something popular here, so I'm gonna look for this. We're gonna try this food.
Jobs fill your pocket, but ventures fill your soul.
Now, what do you do when you see that in the wild? If you're in the water, man, if that thing, whoosh. So I wanted to go to try the abalone, because here it's the heart of the abalone, but unfortunately the farm is closed during the holidays. But I am still gonna go to a restaurant and try it. And one fun thing is you see at the bottom there, they have it in Chinese, Bao Yu Xin. And I recognize the half of the Bao character, and I recognize the Yu. But I didn't even know what abalone was in English. Definitely not gonna know it in Chinese. But I was able to recognize it, so I was pretty happy with myself.
Not all those who wander are lost. Not all those
Fun fact, the name of this restaurant, Perlemoen, is Afrikaans for abalone.
who wander are lost. Not all those
So these are the shells of this abalone. So this is the actual size. Oh, wow.
So there's sugar inside.
Oh, I see. Okay. They come out of the sea like that.
Yes.
Wow.
But this is also when they're smaller.
Oh, so like a baby one. Okay. Nice. Thank you so much. This was one animal, but they've sliced it up and they've pan fried it. So, and this is alioli over here. So I'm going to give it a try. But you can actually see some of the form. Oh, shoot. And that's what it would have been like. So let's try it. If I were to eat this blind, I would have said it was calamari. It has the same consistency as calamari. Not much flavor because it's just pan fried without the alioli. Yeah, I really feel like I'm eating calamari right now. It's good though. So I want to try abalone again, but it's in a different type of dish. This one's a bake, it's got cheese, and I think the abalone's cut up. It's minced. For all it takes is cheese. I like cheese, so not bad. Good dish. That's the cut up abalone.
who wander are lost.
The next day.
All right. Morning.
Good morning, I'm Rebecca.
Hi, I'm Stuart from London.
Hi, I'm Christian. I'm from Munich, Germany.
My name is Petra, and I am Munich as well.
And of course, I'm Tim, and I'm going to be following these guys, so whatever wines they pick, I'm going to do that as well.
Good morning. Welcome to Hermanuspietersfontein. These are the 7 wines that we have with the wine tasting. It's 10 rand per wine of tasting. If you're buying some wine, you don't pay for the wine tasting. It's up to you which one we'd like to have.
The world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page.
Cheers in the morning.
Cheers. On arrival.
And me?
They're so cute.
A journey is best measured in friends rather than miles. Not all those who wander are lost. Not all those who wander are lost. Not all those who wander are lost. Not all those.
Perfect. It's good.
Okay, Stuart says I got a swirl. I'm not left-handed, so this swirl is not very good. Oh, wow. Well, so mine was the only one that's 100% one grape, and it is that grape.
So it's 11 o'clock. We've already had 3 glasses of wine. My favourite was the Bordeaux blend, which I've bought a bottle of, so all our tastings were complimentary. And now we're about to hop back on the wine hopper, which has just arrived.
Hallo, wir sind hier, ich bin der Christian, wir sind hier zur Weinprobe in Hermanus und das war das erste Lokal. It was the first tasting here and we enjoyed it.
Travel is fatal to prejudice, bigotry, and narrow-mindedness.
All journeys have secret destinations of which the traveler is unaware.
Jobs fill your pocket, but adventures fill your soul.
Hello, how are you?
Not all those who wander are lost. Not all those.
We got the 2 wine tastes, because we're not professionals like them. They got the 5 winer. Yeah, they know what they're doing. So what do you think?
Delicious.
Not all those who wander are lost. Not all those who wander are lost. Not all those who wander are lost. Not all those who wander are lost.
This looks good.
Okay, I'll give you a little more.
Thank you. Smells so good.
What's the name of your winemaker?
Have a good taste, like pineapple, and it's light and fruity, and I like it.
This is my view while I use the toilet.
There's no indication to lavage. So as soon as I put the UV on it,
On the countryside, it's so nice. It's an amazing view, and the wine, properly, the Sauvignon Blanc is my absolute favorite. And we have a reservation on the 24th. The restaurant looks so good, and when the food's so good, I'm in the heaven.
Amazing scenery here. Probably the best Pinot Noir I've had so far on the trip. So just finishing off the Chardonnay now, but the Pinot Noir is special. We're taking a bottle of that home.
Travel is the only thing you can buy that makes you richer.
Life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all.
The biggest adventure you can ever take is to live the life of your dreams. Not all those who wander are
Hello. Cheers. Thank you for the wave.
all those who wander are lost. Not all those who wander are lost.
Even if you are not a wine drinker, just appreciating the views here is something you can do. I mean, you can have grape juice and just, I mean, it's breathtaking here. It's peaceful, the air smells nice, and the wine's pretty good.
Yeah, so we were the first wine farm in South Africa to have planted Albarino in 2013. And we also gave cuttings to Springfield in Robertson, so they're also producing an Abalone.
First Albarino in South Africa, so I gotta try it. I think that'd be really good with some seafood. Yeah, we should get some seafood. This is the Pinot Noir, which we tried at the last place, which is really nice. We really enjoyed that. Stuart loved it.
Best Pinot Noir I've had so far.
But this one, what is this one?
Grenache.
The Grenache. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. I haven't tried it yet, but just the smell is making. I'm just gonna try it now. Okay, it smells better than it tastes, but it is still pretty good. Okay, I'm falling behind because I'm doing a lot of talking and not enough drinking. I have 5 wines to get through in like 5 minutes, so let's go.
So we're at Newton Johnson. We've just had our 10th glass of wine for the day, and it's now about 1 o'clock. Really beautiful views here, really great service. We did a great tasting variety of white and red wines. My favourite, I think, was the Grenache.
It was very fine up to now, and we are neugierig what's coming on. We need a little bit lunch, maybe.
Not all those who wander are lost. Not all those who wander are lost. Not all those who wander are lost.
Our tasting, although consists of the 4 red wines, which are already pre-selected for 90 rand. Furthermore, for the selection of 5. So selection of 5 is more like our customer's choice or preference, whereby we turn over the page.
A lighthouse glows for the ships at sea, guiding them home through the mystery.
Oh, get a room.
TMax channel shines bright and clear for dreamers who roam and hold no fear. It's a beacon for
It's really nice, but not so nice since the last one.
So Spookfontein, maybe not so good on the single varietals, but very good blended wines and a lovely setting as well. Amazing.
My favorite is the Phantom. It's a red wine, it's a strong wine, and my absolute favorite, and is like a little bit chocolate.
It's a beacon for hearts that crave the wild, for those who long to wander far and wide through the storms and calm of life's great tide. This light leads the way with wanderlust as guide.
So we're at Creation Wines, which was voted number 7 in the world in the 50 best vineyards in the world.
Just something to say welcome to Creation.
Oh, thank you.
We use our Syrah grapes.
Yeah.
With this one, 100% Syrah grapes. And then we also ferment it on the skins for up to 2 hours. So that's why it has that beautiful pale see-through color. And then we keep it in the tanks, the stainless steel tanks, for up to 6 months. So it does have that Turkish delight, a little bit of floralness, rose petals coming through. Very much light, but this is your go-to summer drink.
Okay.
Okay, so I can't just drink all day. I need to eat something too. So I have this lovely spread here at Creation.
It's a beacon for hearts that crave the wild, for those who long to wander far and
We've had a lot to eat. We had some beautiful regional trout, both the tartar and the roasted trout. We had some ostrich. Not a very regional food. We've like absolutely delicious.
It's a very good tasting menu.
Okay, nice.
Lots of food. We're still going.
What was your favorite wine?
For me, it's Pinot Noir.
Okay.
I'm in love with Pinot Noir.
So we've had like what? 6, 7 glasses
Small glasses. Yeah.
of wine, and they do these sensory pairings as well. So tasting the Pinot Noir with the cocoa beans. The raspberry smell amazing as well. You got some lavender, some oak, some like goji berries as well. One of the Pinot Noirs they paired with this sensory velvet, and the other one went with the silk. And actually, they felt very similar in terms of the smoothness of the wine as well.
Here in Croatian, my favorite is Sauvignon Blanc, and always. And the day was so good and nice to meet some nice people and have a nice area and good. Then we do this. I'm looking forward when I next time to stay in South Africa, I do it as well.
We have been here for a wine tasting tour, and it was a very nice day. We had good food, good drinks, and a lot of good people, and it was very nice.
Absolutely love creation. We had an amazing food pairing menu, amazing Chardonnay, Pinot Noirs, the kind of pinnacle wines of this region. Amazing food, some will be trout, some will be ostrich, some really authentic South African food. Had a great time, love it. The day has been amazing. It's like so well planned. It's lovely to meet some new people, hop on, hop off in like different places, try some different wines. An amazing way to spend a day in South Africa.
Yeah, it's been an amazing day in the valley, Hemel-en-Aarde Valley. Some really delicious wines. Been really looking forward to getting to this area to taste out the wines, and it's not disappointed at all. Wine hop has been great as well, like flexible with dropping us off at the vineyards where we want to go to, and a little bit more flexible when we've been a bit late getting back to them when we've had a few too many wines. But it's been a great day out. Would highly recommend it to anybody that's in the area.
Today was such a great day. It's always much better when you have people who are interesting and fun and sharing their stories. Stuart and Rebecca have done these tours before in South Africa, so they had really good insight. Petra and Christiane were really a lot of fun. They have experience, so they've done tours around the world as well. Really, I was just learning from them, and the wine was really good. I mean, South Africa is already well known for their wine, so it was really nice to finally get a chance to try where the wine's grown locally. The landscapes here were amazing. I mean, even if I didn't drink any wine, just doing the wine route and seeing where they grow the wine and just seeing the area was really nice. The drone footage, as you guys have already seen and you will see, just breathtaking, beautiful landscape. Highly recommend it if you're here in Hermanus. If you can't get to Stellenbosch, if you want a little bit cheaper accommodation, because the accommodation is cheaper in Hermanus than in Stellenbosch. I don't know if the wine's good in Stellenbosch, but the wine in Hermanus is definitely pretty good. Definitely recommend giving it a try. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and give it a subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Waves crash hard, but the glow stays true. Just like his stories pull us through. Maps unfold in the light he cast. Every click a journey built to